Introduction: driving to Edinburgh to do an exhaust repair on the Allegro. Got a flexible joint to go on. This video will follow this with a bit of luck, or this will be in the middle, knowing my luck. Anyway, see you soon. Luxury cars, eh? Here's all the cars with the picnic tables. I've got a snowball to eat. Oh, here, hang on. Picnic table. A lot of house building here. I wonder how these houses cope with a big storm. They're sitting there with their paper lining on a wood frame. Houses are constructed with a wood frame with just a brick running up the outside. It's really just like a garden shed with bricks on the outside. So this is the new exhaust that's off the Van and Fla. We realigned it and put on a new rear hanger, so hopefully that's our speed bump problem solved. Not very exciting video, but at least it's something.